uh let's try again. If it doesn't do a good job, then we're gonna use, took nearly 2 months, but it's finally here, and I've already opened it to see if this is the correct part. So this is a ducktail boot spoiler for the S4, and I'm hoping that it changes the look of this car for the better, because it's also gloss black, and I'm going with that gloss black theme around the car. There's a lot of stamps, so obviously it came through our South African post office from abroad. I've already checked it out, so I just need to fit it onto the car and see if it actually works. Currently, this is how the car looks. There's no boot spoiler part. I've got tips at the bottom and a black diffuser. So I'm hoping that fitting the boot spoiler over here will actually complete the whole look, make the car look a little bit better, more defined, I guess. So let me show you how the spoiler looks like. Okay, they supplied this red tape. I'm hoping that is strong enough. It's actually clear. Oh, interesting. Looks like it's very strong. So I'm gonna use that. And let's chuck that away. So this is the bubble wrap. And I like the fact that they actually put it in a box. So that's quite cool. And I think, yes, that's bubble wrap, and that's another wrap just to protect it, make sure everything is safe when it travels over. Oh, actually it's got like a few metallics. This is nice. Okay, let's throw that away. Okay, so this is it. That's really nice. It looks really, really nice. I'm not sure if you can see the metallics, but I'm gonna put it on the car now so that you can see the whole thing. No, it's quite nice. I like that. I didn't know that actually it has these nice metallics in the sun. Okay, let me just put it here so that we can just look at it and see. Okay, so these are the metallics I'm talking about. It's quite nice. I didn't know that it actually has these. This is pretty cool. This is different. Okay. And yeah, I just put it on the car, and already I can see that it looks really nice. I mean, even from this angle, actually, it's even better. Wow. Okay. So let's see how we're going to fit this thing. Just hoping that it's going to be easy, but it's going to be very, I have to be very precise in terms of my measurements. This is the tape that was provided with the spoiler. It's very thin. I'm not sure if you can see. It's almost transparent. You can see through here. So it's similar to this, and this is the tape that I was going to use as an additional one. But let me see how this one holds up, and then, because it looks really interesting, and I think it's a little bit stronger. So let me use this, and then maybe I'll put a few strips of this one as well, just to make sure that on the edges it doesn't come off. I'm going to have to run like a few lines, maybe like one line all the way to the end here, the first one, then the second one in the middle, and then the other one maybe right here at the back. Maybe I'll run the lines up to here, and then just add one straight line here at the on the edge, same this side, so that it sticks and it doesn't come off. So let's see how this thing looks like. It's not the case. Now that the packaging is open, I can feel it's a little bit sticky already. I'm trying to hold it like that, and I'm just hoping that it's gonna hold this thing for good. So let me run a few lines. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna run it from here. Maybe not too close to the edge. Maybe something like this, so that it doesn't stick out too much. Right, let me do another piece this side. Right, so I've got my tape run already on the spoiler all the way to the other side, and I'm ready now to mount it. But before I do that, I need a tape measure, because I need to see where is the center. This is my tape, and I'm trusting all 3 lines that they're gonna hold it, give me that nice downforce. So I've made my marks with masking tape, and I think what's left now is to remove all the red stuff, and hopefully I can get it on the first try. There we go. So this is what I need to happen for all 3 lines, everything. Then from there is going on to the car. I got 1 chance at this, getting it right. So the idea for me is to mark one side and then measure with that, then the other side will automatically be correct. So right, all the tape is off. I wish I could have put the mammoth in front to make sure that it's more stronger, but it's okay. We are already here now, so this is gonna be interesting. So I really have to make sure that this side is good. Right. Oh, looks like we are off. Yeah, I think we're completely off the mark. Yes, I think that's it. Yes, that's the mark. So right, this is it. Now I'm going down, pressing it in this corner. So let's see how this tape holds up. If it doesn't do a good job, then we're gonna use a different adhesive. But so far, I think it's sitting quite nicely. This side. Right. Okay, so this thing is fitted, and well, I'm going to remove this tape just so that we can see the finished product. But I think this tape is not the best. I'm gonna have to use some other adhesive to make sure that this thing sticks properly on here. Right, let me show you what I'm talking about. Yeah, nah, looks nice. Looks really nice. Okay, no, I like that. I like that. Looks really nice. The fitment is not the greatest on this thing, but it's not too bad. It's really not too bad. I would have liked it to go all the way to the end of the boot, but it's not. So it's just going, and you can see here, the end of it goes that way. So it's, yeah, the finish is not really the best now that I'm looking at it once it's installed. So yeah, it is what it is, but for now it does what it's supposed to do. Oh yeah, the other side I'll show you as well. So see here, so the finish is not straight. It's supposed to go straight down, but it goes up here. So yeah, it's not perfect, but yeah, because this side is better. This side you can see it goes all the way and then it goes up to the top, but this side not so much. Yeah, let me see how it holds up now as it is. Yeah, no, it changes how the car looks from the back. It really makes the car look a little bit different. Especially this angle as well. This is nice. This is a nice angle. I love that. And hoping to get a bit of downforce as well, because this thing is very aggressive. But I think from a distance it looks really nice. I like it. Right. So that's the finished product on the S4 boot spoiler. Yeah, it's very aggressive. Okay. I didn't expect that, but you know what? I guess it's supposed to look like that. But it gives the car that nice shape, that nice I'm fast kind of look. I just noticed something on this car. So I can see the boot spoiler right there. It's literally like through the rearview mirror. I can see it. To those that have a boot spoiler, is that normal to see it through the rearview mirror? Or mine is just too big? Let me know down in the comments. Okay, so my problem is that this end is not completed properly. And I think this is the end that's also not sticking nicely onto the body. The tape that came with this thing, it looks like it's very flimsy, it's very soft, and it moves around a lot. So that means I'm gonna have to use something adhesive like glue just to stick this thing on here. But for now, I just wanted to see how the fitment is going to look like. Overall, it looks nice, but I think it's very hot. The one thing that I love about the boot spoiler is that it's got these metallics on it. This is awesome. Really love that. And it's very aggressive the way it is. I'm gonna get a lot of downforce, hopefully, which is nice. But overall, I think the black goes with the black badges and everything else, the back and the fin and a couple of other things, which I love. This is it, I guess. As far as a boot spoiler, with these metallics, well, there you have it. The S4 now has a boot spoiler. Very aggressive. I didn't think it would be this aggressive. Yeah, but it looks nice. I like how the finish goes at the back of the car here. It's quite nice. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and click on that bell to be notified as soon as I upload a new video, and I'll catch you next time.